Hi, right, welcome again. Now, today I'm going to show you how to make a potato salad. Now, sometimes when you think about being a vegan, you decide, oh my goodness, what can I eat? What can I buy? As I say, you can go and get anything you want. You can make anything that you want. Now, I'm going to make a potato salad that's dairy-free completely, and I'm using this free from gluten, wheat, milk and egg mayonnaise. Okay. You can get that in most supermarkets, so I'm using 2 of these, and also you can get salad cream as well, which is the same.
Can you hold it up a bit longer?
Yeah,
sorry.
which is the same, which is completely dairy free. Sorry, it was upside down. There we go.
So what's it made of then, mainly?
Well, it's mustard. We've got maize, we've got sugar, rapeseed oil, vinegar, various other things.
And it's all vegan.
But it's all vegan. It's all vegan, all completely vegan. So there we are. So I've got some olive oil here as well, and I've got some salt, pepper, and here are my potatoes. Now the thing is with potatoes, when you make potato salad, it's best to get small baby potatoes and cook them in the skins. The simple reason is they stay together, because if you actually get potatoes and peel them and boil them and then let them cool down, they can kind of break up too much and get a bit soggy and things like that. And the other important thing is about cooking any vegetables, especially, well, I cooked these today, they cooled off, but you don't add salt to the water of any particular vegetables that you cook, because you add it afterwards. Now the reason for that is because when you start putting the salt into the vegetables, you've got that sort of bittery taste really to the vegetables. But if you actually add the salt and the pepper afterwards, then you get the taste of the flavour of the seasoning, and then you can taste the vegetable afterwards. So you get the 2 tastes. The seasoning, and then then you can actually taste the veg afterwards. So that's the reason why you don't put salt at the beginning when you start boiling veg. Okay, so what we're going to do now, that's just one thing. Well, what we're going to do now is now cut these potatoes. So just cut them like that, as quickly as possible. Like that.
And your fingers again, just to explain the...
Yes, and of course, as I said to you before, always keep your fingers tucked in like that, and you can just cut them like that, and you will not cut your fingers at all, because the knife is always resting on your particular top part of your finger. If you have them like that, obviously you're going to cut your fingers. So always rest it on this part, and always hold the blade with the knife blade. I'll never hold it by the handle, because you've got no real control over it. You've got to just touch the blade on the end, okay? So we're just going to cut these potatoes now very quickly. Right, hi, okay, I didn't realise how many potatoes I had here to cut. But these are the potatoes, the Charlotte potatoes. I've only used about 2/3 of a bag of these Charlotte potatoes, as you can see. But they look quite a lot actually when you cut them up. Now I'm going to put them into this saucepan here. There we go. Right. Now, that 1 minute. Right. Okay. So now we've got them all loose like that. Now this is what we do. We put just a little bit of olive oil in there, and we just shake it up like that. Now the reason for that is I want all the salt and pepper to actually stick to the potatoes, so I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in here, not too much, there we go, and I'm going to put some salt in now, put a bit of salt there, and now I'm going to put just a tad of sugar. It's very important you put a tad of sugar in, because if you put salt with anything, you've got to put some sugar in. It takes that bitterness out of the dish and brings the flavour out of the vegetables as well. So what I'm going to do now is just to toss all that up like that, so it's completely mixed with the salt, pepper and a little tad of sugar and the olive oil is all like that. And now what I'm going to do now is cut the onion. Now the thing is that there's a way of cutting an onion. You just simply cut around the base of the onion like that, but don't cut that off, because if you cut that off then your eyes will start to water. Doing it this way your eyes will not water at all. So you get your onion and you start peeling that. This is a bit of an old onion, so I'm just going to take the first layer of the skin off there. And as you notice, I've left that on there. It's very important. If you keep that on, you will not have runny eyes. Okay? So just nick that off there like that, and leave it like that. Now, what we're going to do now is just cut this in half, and what we're going to do, just get rid of the bits of potato on here, put that on there. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now is just to slice this. Now, as I said to you before, a bit of potato skin there, as I said to you before, we're going to slice the onion, and always remember, always tuck your fingers in, okay, always tuck your fingers in. So we're going to do that. Now, if you're making fine sauces or anything like that, you would cut across here and across there, but we want the onions to be a little bit chunky, so we're just going to leave them like that and cut them as fine as you possibly can. And I'm going to use the whole of the onion. There we go, just accept that piece there, and my eyes aren't going to water at all, because that's the secret, you don't cut that off. Okay, so here we go, the other one now. And we just hold it firm, like you're holding an orange or something like that, and then you just slice it like that. And you get rid of that bit there. Now, nothing wrong with my eyes at all. They're not watering that whatsoever, because they don't bleed if you don't cut the root off. Okay?
Bleed is a bit severe, but you mean
the juice.
The juice. Is that the term?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So that all goes in there. Now we'll mix that up like that. The olive oil and all the seasoning will mix together, as you can see. They're all mixed together like that. Now what we do now, we actually put our mayonnaise in. Now this is quite a lot of mayonnaise. You can never get it all out. You know, there's always a little bit of a problem trying to get this out. Now you can get some vinegar, take the top off, get some vinegar, which I'm going to do just to get the rest of this out of here. Right, I've got a little bit of vinegar. I'm just going to put a little drop in there and just shake it, and it should give me the rest. Give me the rest of what's in here. Here we go, right. Okay, so there we go, it's coming, there we go. Right, now, it all depends exactly how many you're catering for. Now, I've got to put some sour cream here. I always like a little touch of that in there, because it does give it quite a nice extra taste. So what I'm going to do now is to give it a good stir. Because when you think about becoming a vegan, you think, well, what can I eat? Or what is there to eat? What can I buy? You just lose yourself. And in the end, you just give up. And the thing is that that's no good at all. So you've got to just persevere and look at channels. A bit more mayonnaise in there. And here we go, and it's ready.
So it's the mayonnaise and the salad cream, the vegan salad cream.
Yeah,
as well.
we just got a little bit of salad cream in, not too much. And here we go now. We're going to put all this in a dish. And this is our potato salad.
It tastes lovely. It's one of my favourite dishes.
And you can smell it now, isn't it delicious?
Yeah, I can smell it from here.
Look at that.
It's so quick.
It's such a quick dish. And of course, people forget. They think, oh, am I going to miss all this? Am I going to miss my salad cream? Am I going to miss my potato and cheese and pasties and meat pasties? No, I'm making all of that. And there you go. That is your potato salad. Done in a flash.
And it goes with a lot of dishes, doesn't it?
It does indeed, and it's delicious. And you can't tell the difference between that and the ordinary potato salad. Believe it.
You
or
can't,
not.
you really can't.
Try it.
Yeah, I know.
It's wonderful. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be cooking every week. And thank you very much indeed for watching. And my next video obviously is going to be the canopies that I said I was going to do this week. Okay, thank you very much indeed. See you soon.